What's up, everybody? So in this video we're going to be detailing the roof of the Civic Si, and I'll have some clips and videos, so take a look and let me know what you think.
I could already see it's better. There's a shine. There was none before.
You got the...
So there's before and after.